Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16 and let me show you how to change password to your Apple ID. At first, you need to open the settings, then reach your account, select password and security, and here click on change password. At first, you have to provide the code that you use to your device, so let me enter the passcode of the screen. And as only it is entered, you will be able to provide new password. So let me enter, for example, hard reset. And then click on change. Okay, so I mistyped one of them. Let's enter just hard 123 and tap on change. Okay, one more time, same stuff. And now it should work properly. Click on change. Then you can also sign out from your other devices. I would skip it for now. Wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, it has been changed. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.